Hiya ladies. Did you see it? Did you see that bird? Did you see the bloody poisonous parrot? It probably landed somewhere near where you live. It might even have got into your house. Wonder did you see it? It's lovely colours. You know, you would be fooled by it actually. It's got some gorgeous colours. Maybe you opened the door and let it in. Maybe you even left the window open. I wonder did you see it? You'll know it when it arrives. Even if you haven't seen it before, you'll know it. I know you'll know it. Do you know what it'll do? It's maybe there already. It sits here. Only you see this bloody poison parrot. It's just like our ego. It has a mission. It has a mission. And the mission is you. So I'm going to tell you about this poisonous parrot. Imagine that you've been given it. Imagine somebody even sent it your way. But you know what? This parrot is just a parrot. It doesn't have any knowledge or wisdom. It doesn't even have any insight. You know what? It's bird-brained after all, for goodness sake. It's a parrot. It recites things parrot fashion without any understanding. It doesn't even have any comprehension. It's a parrot. However, this particular parrot is a poisoned and a poisonous parrot. It's been specifically trained to be unhelpful to you. It's on a mission, I told you. Continuously commenting on you, on your life, in a way that constantly puts you down and criticises you. For example, the bus gets stuck in a traffic jam and you arrive in your work 5 minutes late. The parrot sits there saying, "There you go again. Late. You just can't do anything. You're stupid, you know. If you'd left the house and got the earlier bus, this wouldn't have happened. And you'd arrived loads of times even to spare. But no, not you. Not you. No way. You just can't do it. Useless, that's who you are. Waste of space. Absolutely pathetic," says this poison parrot. I wonder how long you'd put up with the parrot throwing this abuse at you before you'd throw a towel over it. Over its cage, of course. Or maybe you'd think about getting rid of the parrot when it says, "Who do you think you are?" Yet, we can often put up with the thoughts from this internal bully. We believe it. We've heard it so many times, we actually believe it now. And you maybe put up with it for decades, years and years and years. We hear that parrot, we believe it, and naturally then what happens to us? We get upset. That then affects the way we live our lives, the way we behave towards other people, how we are with other people, what we think about others, and what we even take on to do, and how we think about the world, and mostly how we think about ourselves. We can learn to use an antidote, girls, forgot to tell you that. There is an antidote for this poisoned parrot. Just begin to notice the parrot. Cover the bloody cage. There's that bloody parrot again, you say to yourself. I don't have to listen to it. It's just a bloody parrot after all. Then go and do something else. Put your focus of attention on something other than that parrot. This parrot is poison. And remember, even though you tell it to shut up, it might not. So it won't give up easily. So you'll need to use the antidote and be persistent in your practice. Keep throwing the bloody towel over the cage. Eventually the parrot will get tired. It'll get tired of you not responding to it. You'll notice it less and less. It might just give up its poison as your antidote overcomes it. Or you know what? Perhaps it'll fly off. to wherever poison parrots come from. Bye bye, poison parrot. Have a good day. Bye.